Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you a really cool feature of Excel. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I don't need to tell you that how widely Excel um, files are used across various organizations. And many times you may get a task something like this just a sample page and about a very well-known person so you make it a task like, okay, if and not just from this website, from any website, like you have a table here, right? So your management may want you to copy all this into an Excel file, right? So how you can do it? Some of you, what they will do, they will just copy it and paste it, right? That's a common thing many people will do. But you know what? Excel has a very cool feature that you can just copy the tables like this directly from the URL. So what you have to do, just go to the URL, copy it. Okay. Go to the Excel, go to data. Data, go to web, from web, put the URL. Okay. Click on OK. Let it establish connection. Okay. Now it has established connection and it is showing all the tables that are on that page that you can import. So suppose I want to import this one. You can even see the sample data that's going to come over here. Anything. Okay. So let's say I want to do this and I'm going to click on load. That's it. It is done. And you can always do modifications the way you really want to. So I hope you like this feature. Please share this video.